Police in the Armenian capital, Yerevan, briefly detained more than 24 protesters outside parliament as lawmakers voted to hold a referendum on changing the country's constitution. Under the proposed amendments, presidential powers would be transferred to parliament, and the president would no longer be elected by popular vote, but by parliamentarians instead. Opposition groups suspect the planned constitutional change is part of a ploy by sitting President Serž Sarkisianyň to remain in power. The current constitution bars him from seeking a third consecutive presidential term in 2018, but he could potentially lead the country in some other capacity following the constitutional amendment. The referendum is expected to be held by the end of the year.